Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to enable private mode while browsing on LinkedIn. If you intend to search for and visit specific profiles without the owners knowing you were there, the process is quite straightforward. Start by clicking on your profile image at the top. Next, select the Settings and Privacy option. Once the menu opens, navigate to the left-hand side and click on the eye icon representing Visibility. From there, select the very first setting titled Profile Viewing Options. In this area, you can customize what others see after you have viewed their page. You have the choice to show your full name and headline, display only certain profile characteristics, or switch to full private mode. This final option is likely what you are looking for, as it ensures you appear only as an anonymous LinkedIn member. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial.